Hi, welcome back. I'm Kim from New Amherst. We've had so much snow here this winter in Coburg, but still we have a lot of construction going on. Right now we have 5 bungalow towns that are going to be ready in April and May, a couple of custom homes, and today we're standing in front of the semis on Wilkens Gate that will be ready in early April. I have a real treat for us today. We're going to meet with New Amherst Site Superintendent Keith Hutt, and he's going to be walking us through some of the construction features of these homes. Let's go inside.
Hi Keith, thanks for taking time out of your busy construction schedule to share with our viewers here today about how we build these semis. I know in the sales office I often get inquiries about how we construct attached houses, and there's quite a bit of concern around sound transfer. So I was hoping today you could show us how you build in order to reduce the amount of sound transfer between units.
Sure. So between both these houses we have approximately 16 inches between these units. Down the center of this wall we have an 8-inch block. Then we have a 2x4 framed wall on both sides, which then encompasses rock salt insulation. So rock salt insulation has 3 important properties that I'd like to speak of. It's obviously fire resistant, antifungal, and sound absorption as well.
Okay, great. So in these walls we have an 8-inch concrete block in the center, and on either side is this rock salt insulation. And so that really helps with sound transfer, but I imagine there's also a lot of other benefits, like I imagine these units would be quite efficient in terms of heating, and your carrying costs would be quite low because of that insulation. Is that true?
That's correct. So really 2 bonuses of 1.
Okay, that's great. I know we also want to look at some of the other features of construction, and I think you wanted to take us to the basement to show us the insulation there as well.
I do.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, Keith, tell us what you've done down here.
Well, insulation is not only good upstairs, it's also good in the basement here. So in all our houses we insulate the pocket with rock salt. I go across approximately 4 feet with it. And what that helps with on any exterior wall into an I-beam is it lessens the chance of cold transfer into your house.
Okay, so cold typically comes across this steel beam, and this insulation will reduce the amount of cold that's in the house, so your house is warmer. Okay, Keith, you've done an amazing job in the basement of really making this space incredibly livable. A lot of people who are buying the bungalow towns or the semis, they like to finish the space in the basement, and you can see we have really high ceilings, and I love what you've done with the ductwork. But tell us something that we don't see that really ensures that we're building to higher standards than some of the other builders.
Sure. So OBC, or Ontario Building Code, requires all basements being poured with a 3-inch slab down here. We overbuild by having a 4-inch slab, which I've found that reduces all the cracks for anyone that wants to finish the basement down here in your basement.
So the floor is just a lot more stable and less cracking. So if I want to finish the basement, I'm going to have a better product down here in the end?
Absolutely.
Okay, great. Thank you, Keith, for taking time out of your schedule. I know you have to get back to work, but I'd really love to come back and do a tour when these units are done, and so you can walk us through the finished product. I think that's probably in about 6 weeks?
It is, yeah.
Okay, great. So we'll see you then.
Okay, good. I got to go back to building some houses.
Yeah, have a great day.
All right, thanks a lot.
Bye. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time in the village.